Okay, so what happened last time? We got a dupe and we opened it and we ended the video because Nikki got excited and we forgot. So we are continuing with the last holocrons and let's see what's in here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, mister.
1.
Okay, good.
What? What'd you say? Okay.
I don't know. Because normally you take 10 minutes to decide. Like it's a life-changing decision.
It really is.
It really is. Listen to you. Okay. Go. Come on. Luke Leia Grail. Or any Ultra Grail. Any Ultra Grail will be fine.
Yeah.
Anyone.
Any girl.
Anyone.
Anyone. Give me an Ultra Grail, please.
I mean, or a rare. Or the exact opposite. All right. We're going to get there. I mean, I feel like sooner or later, like, we just have to. Just by the numbers. I mean, look, we have like 200 of these things. 1 or 2. 1 or 2. Left or right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go.
2.
Now, what happens if we open both of these and we don't, we'll have to end the video and then we'll be out of Star Wars. I don't want to mix Star Wars and different collections. Okay. Come on.
Come on. Come on, boy.
My Force this time.
Yeah. Are you Jedi or...
Jedi.
Me?
There's a good guy. What are you talking about?
But the dark side's better.
That did not work. Well then.
Mine's better.
Yeah. Oh yeah, how? Oh, because you got the Grail? Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah.
Alright.
Dark side's better.
Last holocron, whether it's new or a dupe. This is it for this video, guys, because this is the last one we got.
It was still pretty hard to choose.
It was hard to choose? 1 or 1?
Yeah, that was hard. I feel like it should be 1, but I'm not sure. Maybe it should be 1, or maybe it should be 1.
I'm sending you to the Cryptoys.
Oh, yay. I don't want to see Cryptoid.
Ooh, Nikki has used Cryptoified.
Oh, yeah.
That would be awesome.
Yeah.
Be tiny with a big head.
Oh, yeah. I actually want to be Cryptoid.
And it's a rare! Okay, well, we did not make any progress on these last Star Wars ones, but that's okay. Alright, well, sorry guys.
Turn me into
Keep
crypto.
tuning in.
Turn me